Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today we are diving into one of Apple's most exciting upcoming products, the next generation Apple TV 2025. 4 years, the Apple TV has evolved far beyond being just a small streaming device. It has transformed into a versatile platform that powers entertainment, connects the smart home, supports casual gaming, and even brings FaceTime into the living room. Now, with leaks, industry reports, and insider information surfacing, the upcoming Apple TV is looking like the most advanced and feature-packed version we've ever seen. This video will break down the biggest rumored upgrades, including faster connectivity with Wi-Fi 6E and possibly Wi-Fi 7, Apple's next-gen chip for performance in gaming, built-in camera for FaceTime and gesture controls, the fresh TvOS 26 update, pricing possibilities under $100, and when you can expect this powerful little box to launch, next-level connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E and Wi-Fi 7. One of the most talked about improvements is wireless performance. Current Apple TV models already handle Wi-Fi 6. The 2025 version could step into Wi-Fi 6E, which uses the 6 GHz spectrum for much faster and more reliable streaming. That means smoother 4K movies, lower latency for gaming, and more consistent performance in busy households filled with connected devices. But some sources go even further, hinting that Apple might jump directly to Wi-Fi 7, which delivers theoretical speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second. That's not just faster streaming, it's a transformation in how media is delivered. Imagine downloading a huge movie in seconds or enjoying lag-free cloud gaming through Apple Arcade. With Wi-Fi 7, the Apple TV could rival high-end gaming consoles in responsiveness and streaming quality. Power boost with next-gen. Apple's silicon performance is at the heart of every Apple device, and the Apple TV is no different. The current Apple TV 4K runs on the A15 Bionic, which was powerful back in the iPhone 13 era, but is starting to show its age. The next model is rumored to include either the A18 or even a 19 Bionic chip, offering cutting-edge processing power, stronger GPU performance, and built-in AI acceleration for everyday users. This means faster, smoother navigation across TvOS, sharper console-like graphics for Apple Arcade and third-party games, better multitasking with multiple user profiles and apps running in the background, support for Apple Intelligence AI features directly on the device. This kind of leap in power could finally make the Apple TV a serious contender in the casual gaming market, putting it closer to devices like the Nintendo Switch as a living room console alternative. Built-in camera, FaceTime, and gesture control lapel has been slowly integrating the living room into its communication ecosystem. And the next Apple TV may push this further with a built-in camera. Up until now, users needed their iPhone or iPad as a continuity camera to make FaceTime calls on the big screen. While effective, it's not always convenient. A native camera inside the Apple TV could make group calls, work meetings, and family check-ins seamless. Even more exciting are the reports of gesture-based controls. Imagine pausing a movie with a wave of your hand, skipping to the next track in Apple Music with a swipe, or even using body movement for casual gaming. This would align perfectly with Apple's long-term vision for spatial computing and intuitive, touch-free controls. TvOS 26, smarter and more personal, alongside new hardware. Apple is expected to roll out tvOS 26, which will make the Apple TV even smarter and more personal. Some of the key rumored upgrades include enhanced FaceTime experience, complete with contact posters, profile photos, and personalized caller ID on the TV. Live captions in multiple languages, real-time subtitles powered by on-device AI, supporting major languages such as Japanese, German, French, Spanish, Korean, and Mandarin. Auto-detect profiles. The Apple TV could instantly recognize who's using it and load personalized playlists, apps, and recommendations. Apple Music Sing 2.0, using your iPhone as a wireless karaoke microphone while lyrics and music flow through your TV speakers. Liquid Glass UI. Design a brand new interface look that brings consistency across iOS, iPadOS, macOS, and tvOS. These features aim to reduce friction in multi-user households and make the Apple TV the most personalized home entertainment device Apple has ever built. Gaming potential. a console alternative.
Oh,
Apple may finally be taking gaming on Apple TV seriously, with a stronger chip, faster Wi-Fi, and improved controller support. The Apple TV 2025 could evolve into a true mini-console. While not positioned to replace PlayStation or Xbox, it could serve as a great option for casual and family gaming. Combine this with cloud gaming possibilities and potential integration with Apple's Vision Pro headset, and the Apple TV could become the hub for both 2D and mixed reality experiences in the living room. Pricing strategy: could Apple go below $100? Here's one of the most exciting rumors. Apple may release a new entry-level Apple TV, priced under $100. This would mark the first time since 2012 that Apple offered its set-top box at such an accessible price point. The idea would be to capture a wider audience, from families to casual streamers who want HomeKit smart home integration at a budget price. However, Apple is also expected to maintain a premium model with more storage, advanced hardware, and the rumored built-in camera. This two-tier strategy would mirror Apple's approach with iPhones and iPads. Release timeline: when will it arrive? Apple's release schedule for Apple TV has always been unpredictable. Some years it launches alongside iPhones in September, while in others, it arrives later in October or November. Based on the latest insider reports, the next Apple TV is most likely to arrive in late 2025, with a strong chance of being revealed during Apple's September keynote event. Should you upgrade? If you already own the Apple TV 4K 2022, the upgrade may not be absolutely necessary unless you're excited about Wi-Fi 7, enhanced gaming performance, or built-in camera features. However, for anyone with an older model or for those waiting for a more affordable version, this could be the perfect moment to join the Apple ecosystem. Final thoughts. The Apple TV 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most important updates in the product's history. With next-level wireless connectivity, a new A18, A19 chip, a built-in camera, gesture controls, TvOS 26, and possibly a sub-$100 model, Apple is positioning the Apple TV as far more than just a streaming box. It's becoming the central hub for entertainment, communication, smart homes, and casual gaming. So whether you're a movie enthusiast, a gamer, or someone who wants seamless FaceTime calls on the biggest screen in the house, the upcoming Apple TV could be the most exciting upgrade Apple has delivered in years.